Hello everybody, welcome to my commercial-free quick video on showing you how to set up a home page in Canvas. Let's get to it. I'm not going to drag this out. What you want to do is go to your course. So I'm going to click on Dashboard, click on my Sandbox course. And then you might already have a home page item. That's fine, but what we're going to do is create a home page. So it's a little different. Step 1, click on Pages on the left, Course Navigation List. Next, you're going to click on the blue button that says Plus Page. Blue buttons are your friends in Canvas. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to just say Welcome. Put some information in the editor box. You could put your instructor info, maybe your contact, a brief welcome, and maybe even a link to your content if you wanted to. And always remember to make this accessible and use that little accessibility checker icon once you've composed your content. And then what you can do is scroll down and click on Save and Publish once it's ready. You want it to be published. Now we have our page. We have to designate it as the front page. So go ahead and click those little 3 dots on the upper right and select Use as Front Page. And you'll see the little front page appear here in this gray box. Now we can click Home on the left. And on the right hand side, you're going to select Choose Home Page. And here is where you have a lot of choices. I personally like to go straight to the modules for my students. Some teachers like to have the syllabus as their homepage, especially for the first week or two. Whatever you like. But if you want to use a page like we just created, you're going to select Pages Front Page. And here it is, and it's the one we made called Welcome. You can always change it to a different page by clicking Change. You can designate a different page as your front page. But for now, this is kind of how it's done. And then again, blue buttons are your friends. So just click Save, and you'll see now this is my home page, the little welcome page. You'll notice it doesn't say welcome, so you might want to add that in if you wanted that to show up. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.